Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by reading the question twice and marking exact input and output expectations. This prevents wasted work. Once done, write a concise example by hand to validate understanding and outline a step-by-step plan, from naive approach to intended optimization. Make sure to choose the right data structures early because they shape complexity and edge cases. You should write one small test case, note constraints like n size or memory limits, and then commit to the first implementable plan. You now implement the core with a minimal working solution that follows your plan. Start with the main flow and postpone fancy refactors. While coding, encapsulate logic and functions to make testing easier, and choose clear variable names so intent is obvious. Once you have the main path, run simple inline tests and use print debug selectively to verify intermediate states. If performance matters, measure hotspots and replace quadratic steps with linear or log-linear alternatives. You finish by handling edge cases, empty inputs, maximum sizes, and off-by-one errors. Add input validation where necessary. Then refactor for readability and optimize hotspots identified earlier, reducing unnecessary copies and using appropriate algorithms. Before submission, run full sample tests and time-critical cases. If things go wrong, try a targeted fix. Replace expensive loops with hashing or binary search where applicable, because swapping algorithmic approach often resolves hidden time or memory failures without guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.